everybody, I'm Bree and this is the B-side. Today I have some Loc Sprinkles to show you, and I just want to show you what they look like on me and also tell you what I learned about my doing them. I was inspired to do these by a fellow YouTuber whose name is Co-Chemist. You can look her videos up, her installation and her takedown via the link in the description of my video. First things first is I used braiding hair like she suggested, and I think that using braiding hair is ingenious because it blends so effortlessly in the gel lock. The only thing with my braiding hair is that it's short, so I had to thread it a bunch of times. Another thing is that instead of threading the same needle, I just took 9 needles, threaded them all at one time, and then I just, got busy putting them on. I used braiding hair and then thread, and then braiding hair and then thread. I was just trying to see which one I preferred. The thread is definitely faster. It's easier to thread the thread in the needle than it is to thread the hair. Also, I used Canicolon hair and it kept breaking, so I had to thread multiple strands in there at a time, and it was really hard to see. So if your sight is a limitation, you might just try to use thread because it's bigger and it's easier. But yeah, I did quite a few. It looks like a lot when they're all pushed to one side, so I might try to wear it like this more often than not. But I can also put it in the middle. Put it in the middle like this. Okay. Can also throw it all to this side. Like that. Oh no, did I not match it up and put it on my other one? Oh, I'm gonna have to do that. I'll do that tomorrow. The middle, and get almost to the end, and then with this little piece at the bottom, I'm just gonna stick it through like that to anchor it on there. Okay, now it's in there good. So stick it in there 1, 2 more times. Okay, now I'm gonna take some beads, like the beads you saw earlier, and I'm gonna thread them on top of the needle. I don't know, it's really hard to see because, oh no, there it is, you can see it like that. I'm gonna bring it all the way up, but I'm gonna stick this through. Alright, this is topped. Okay? Because I'm kind of lazy, I'm just gonna keep doing it like this. I would say this is about the 30th Loc Sprinkle I have. So I'm going for it here, which means I'm not taking a lot of time to do this super well. I'm just doing it, okay? So every time I put one on there, put it on there, and I send it through a side that doesn't have very many. Like, I'm gonna send it through this side because you see it doesn't have anything on that side. Bring it up and make sure you pull it taut so you can anchor the one that you just put in. It kind of takes a while, but if you're like me, you got time. And if you're not like me, you can make time. Or you can not do it and just admire mine. That's cool too. Billionth time. Alright, that looks pretty good. And the further this goes up, actually, the harder it is for me to see. So I have to stop at some point because I can't really see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send this through one more time, and then I'm gonna take the circle like this and wrap it around it, just like you see people do when they do a sew-in. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Then I'm gonna take this through. This is something that co-chemist was doing. And you just keep doing it to kind of make it, you know, to solidify everything, make sure it's in there, make sure it ain't gonna come out. Alright, then I'm gonna take my scissors and cut it pretty close to the end.